Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, bienvenue, welcome to jour 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jour 6, day 6 of French with Mr. Innes. Today we are going to be thinking about the French flag. And with that in mind, I'd like us to move on to our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day is the name of the French flag. It is called, écoutez, le tricolore. Le tricolore. Can you try saying that? Répétez. Le tricolore. Le tricolore. And the tricolore basically means 3 colours, because the French flag has 3 colours. And so today our ooh la la vocab is going to be looking at those 3 colours. The first colour of the French flag is blue. So écoutez 6 fois. Bleu. 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 Répétez. Bleu. 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 Next up we have the colour white. Écoutez 6 fois. Blanc. 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 Répétez. Blanc. 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 And last but not least, we have the colour red. Now for this word, you really need to say the French R sound, which is their R sound. So I'd like you to put 2 fingers over your throat and go. You should feel it vibrate in your throat. Can you try that? Fun fact that is not about French. I can move my Adam's apple. Regardez. Very weird. Écoutez 6 fois. Rouge. 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 Répétez. Rouge. 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 And so our fun French fact of the day is all about the tricolore, the French flag. Did you know that the tricolore has the colours bleu and rouge because those are the colours of Paris, of Paris? So you might think about Paris Saint-Germain, the football team. Can you name any footballers from Paris Saint-Germain? Maybe Neymar or Cavani or Mbappe? Well, Paris Saint-Germain play in bleu and rouge because those are the colours of Paris. Now, blanc is the colour of the royal family that used to be in charge of France. And so the tricolore has bleu, rouge and blanc in the middle because those are the colours of Paris and the royal family. Now it is time for our song of the day. Today's song of the day is the French national anthem, which is called La Marseillaise. Allons les enfants de la patrie, le jour de gloire est arrivé. The version that I've chosen for you in the YouTube link below is sung by the French football team during the 2018 World Cup final, which they went on to win 4-2 against Croatia. See if you can notice the big tricolore in the shape of a heart at the beginning of the video, and you might even recognise one of the players that I mentioned earlier on in the video. That's everything for today for jour 6. I hope you have learned lots about France today, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Au revoir!